Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. So class, in the last session, as you know, that we have started with the new topic, that is word processor. So this was the topic that with which we have started in our last session. So in today's session, I'm going to continue with the same, that is word processor. So first of all, I'm just going to give you a small recall that what we had done in the last session. So in the last session, we had discussed about the word processor. So what is the meaning of word processor? Okay, so word processor is basically used for typing the words, paragraphs, pages or the documents. Okay, so you can so this is a kind of a typing that we do on the computers. Okay, but we can also use this word processor, the documents that we had created on the word processor, that we can store, okay, on the disk. We can display it, we can modify it. If you want to make any changes, editing, okay, you can do those modifications as well. Okay, and you can make take the printout of it as a hard copy of that. So all these things that you can do in this word processor. Now we'll talk about, after that I have shown you this two pictures. So they in the previous time, what happened, the people, they used to type with the help of the typewriters. Okay, but nowadays we use computers for typing. So in the earlier period when we were using these typewriters, so if there is any error, okay, suppose while typing if there is any error happens, so that person have to retype the whole paragraph one more time. But with the computers, the typing with the computer is more convenient and more easy, because if there is any kind of problem, or if there is any kind of error, so you can rectify it very easily, okay, without retyping the complete paragraph. Okay, so this was a major drawback of typewriter and major plus point of printer. So this was a topic that we had discussed. So now today we will start with this, that is things that we can do with the word processor. So what things that we can do with the help of word processor, that we will discuss in the today's session. Okay, so now we will start the topic, that is things that we can do with the word processor. So the first one is type letters, reports, etc. So by using this word processor, we can type any kind of letters. Okay, suppose you want to type any letter, or if you want to give any report, so formally or informally you can type it on the by using the word processor. So that is more easy for you, for if there is any editing or if any modification later on, if you want to make any editing or any modification in that report or letter, you can just make corrections, or you can make you can do the modification. Okay, and there will be no need to retype the complete paragraph one more time. Second thing is change color and font style of text. Okay, you can change the color and the font style of the text that we are typing. Okay, suppose if you want to make the document that you have typed more impressive, okay, आप उसको और impressive दिखाना चाहते हो, so in that case you can change its color. Okay, you can highlight the important words. Okay, you can highlight the headings, you can highlight the important words. Okay, so there are different ways through which you can highlight the important words. Okay, then you can also change the font style as well. So how you can change the font style? By selecting the font option from the word processor. Okay, so you can, like जैसे कि now in the generally in the formal language we use the typing, that is Times New Roman. The Times New Roman हम select करके we do the typing. But if you want to make it more bold, okay, if you want to मतलब you want to pay attention towards some words, कि आप कुछ words के तरफ specially ध्यान लाना चाहते हो, so in that case you can use these special colors, and you can change the color, you can change the style of the text. Third is add pictures to make it more attractive. Okay, you can add more pictures so that you can make the complete you can make that complete more that document more attractive. Okay, so when you was studying in the lower classes, so at that time the teachers must be giving you examination or the evaluation sheet with the pictures. Okay, so that is more attractive. Okay, suppose if you are having a book with lots of pictures, another is just with the text, so which one will be more attractive? जिसमें बहुत सारी pictures होंगी वो, ये जिसमें सिर्फ content लिखा होगा, text लिखा होगा. Okay, so generally it's a human nature that the book that is having a lot of attractive pictures, you will get attracted towards it. Okay, so similarly you can add as many pictures as you want in the word processor. Okay, this is another very important advantage of using the word processor. The fourth is modify the document by editing and formatting. You can modify the document by editing and formatting it. Okay, आप उसको edit करके format करके आप पूरा का पूरे document को modify भी कर सकते हैं. So you can make modification, editing. Okay, so if there is any error or if you want to मतलब उसमें change करना चाहते हो, okay, so you can make all these modification and formatting without with a very little use of time or with a very less labor. Okay, आपको ये नहीं कि आपको पूरा paragraph दोबारा लिखना पड़ेगा, nothing like that. So you can just make the changes that you want to make in that particular document. Fifth is save for future use. So later on you can use this. Okay, so later on you can use this document for future references as well. Okay, futures references. Okay, suppose in future you must be in the need of that document, so you can use that document very easily. Okay, so these documents can also be used for future references. Last is very important that we can print the document. Okay, अगर आपको अपने सब कुछ soft copy पे किया है, but suppose you want a hard copy of it, so then what you have to do is have just simply to take the print of that particular word document or word processor, the document that you have made on word processor by giving the print option on your laptop. Okay, so these are the things that we can do with the word processor. The first is type letters and reports. Second, change color and the font style of the text. Add pictures to make it more attractive. Modify the document by editing and the formatting. Save for future use. And the last is the print the document. So all these things that we can do with the word processor. Next is types of word processor. So what are the various different types of word processor? So let's get to know about it. Okay, so now we will get to know about the different types of word processor. So here it is given the different types of word processor. Okay, so we will get to know about this. There are many types of word processor available in the market like. So यहाँ पे word processor कई तरह के word processor available है in the market में. Okay, so they have given certain options or they have explained certain word processors about certain word processor. The next is first is Microsoft Word. So this is the most commonly used word processor. Okay, Microsoft Word is the most commonly used word processor. Okay, so here it is given a powerful word processor created by Microsoft for Macintosh and the Windows based computers. So what is Microsoft Word? So Microsoft Word is the most powerful word processor that is created by Microsoft. So word processor is the Microsoft Word is created by Microsoft. Microsoft Word किसने create किया है? Microsoft ने. Okay, and that was created by them for the Macintosh and the Windows based computers. Okay, so these are the two operating systems that were used in computers, and this Microsoft Word has been created by Microsoft for especially these two computers, that is known as Macintosh and the Windows based computers. Second is ClarisWorks. Now we are talking about the ClarisWorks, a full featured word processor package created by the Claris for the Macintosh and the Windows based computers. Now we are talking about another word processor. Its name is ClarisWorks. So this is ClarisWorks. Now what is this ClarisWorks? So read each and every sentence, each and every word very carefully. A full-featured word processor package created by Claris. So Claris, जैसे कि like Microsoft is the name of a company who has created a various substitute like the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Similarly, Claris is also one of the name of the IT companies, leading IT companies in the world. Okay, and this ClarisWorks was its creation only. ये उन्हीं की creation है. So this ClarisWorks is also a word processor. Okay, and was created by Claris. Okay, and they had also designed this ClarisWorks for the computers like Macintosh and Macintosh and the window based computers. Okay, so that is ClarisWorks. Moving next to the third one, that is Microsoft Works. Okay, so earlier we were having Microsoft Word, but now we are talking about Microsoft Works. Now what is about the Microsoft Works? Let's read it. A full-featured word processor package created by Microsoft for Macintosh and the Windows-based computer. So this Microsoft Word is also one of the word processor that is created by Microsoft only. Microsoft Word is also created by Microsoft, and Microsoft Works. Microsoft Word, and okay, this is the first one is the Word, the second one is the Works. Okay, so Microsoft Word, like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Works is also created by the Microsoft. Okay, and they have also designed this Microsoft Word for the Macintosh and the window based computer. So basically all these word processor, the different types of word processor, they have been created by keeping in mind about the Macintosh and the window based computer. So Macintosh and window based computer को ध्यान में रखते हुए basically all these word processors were created. Okay, moving next to the fourth one. So till now we have done the three types of word processor. The first is the Microsoft Word, second is ClarisWorks, third is Microsoft Works. Now the fourth is Lotus Word Pro. So now let's read about Lotus Word Pro. Okay, the Lotus Word Pro is a word processor software produced by IBM. That is IBM's Lotus Software Group for the use of the Microsoft Windows compatible computers and on IBM OS2 wrap. Word Pro can be obtained as part of the Lotus Smart Office suite. Okay, so now this is the next word processor we are talking about, that is created by the IBM. Okay, so IBM is Herman Holrith. Okay, so he is the creator of the IBM. Okay, so this is the International Business Machine. Okay, so this was one of the very old IT company. Okay, that is IBM, and now it is dealing in various product electronics as well. Okay, so IBM it has also produced a software, the word processor. Okay, so that they have created this word processor that is named as Lotus Word Pro under their software group, that is known as Lotus Software Group, so that they can use the computers those who are compatible with the Microsoft Windows. Okay, so they can use it with compatible Microsoft Windows computers. So they want to create such Lotus Word Pro or the word processors which are compatible with the Microsoft Windows computer. Okay, along with that, the computers with the Microsoft Windows, they should also be compatible with the IBM OS2 wrap. So these are the basically two main things that they had in their mind while creating this word processor, which is known as Lotus Word Pro. So Word Pro can be obtained as part of the Lotus Smart Office suite. So this Word Pro is a part of the Lotus Smart Office suite. Clear? Now moving next to the WordPerfect. It is a proprietary word processing application at the height of its popularity is in the late 1980s and the early 1990s. It was the de facto standard word processor, but has since been eclipsed in the sales by the Microsoft Word. So now this is another Word Perfect. This is another word processor. Okay, and this was quite very popular during the 1980s and the 90s. So in the 80s and 90s, this Word Perfect was quite popular. But after this Microsoft Word has been created, so now it has been totally eclipsed means अब वो पूरी तरह से खत्म हो चुका है. So now it's not being in use. So before this Microsoft Word was created, so before its introduction or before its creation, okay, so this Word Perfect was one of the very highest was one of the very popularly used word processor. But जब से Microsoft Word आया, so this has been totally eclipsed from the word processor, from the list of the word processor. Next is Adobe InCopy. So now we are talking about the next one, that is Adobe InCopy. Okay, so Adobe InCopy, it is a professional word processing software product made by the Adobe systems. It is tightly integrated with the Adobe InDesign and its most recent version in Adobe InCopy CS3. So now we are talking about another word processor which is known as Adobe InCopy. So this Adobe InCopy is basically a professional word processor. ये basically क्या है? That is basically a professional word processor. Okay, that is created by the Adobe system. So Adobe, you must have heard about the Adobe. Okay, that is one also nowadays we are using the various things about the Adobe, like Adobe Shop and Adobe Reader. So we are already using some of the products of Adobe. So this word processor that was created by Adobe system is also one of the very popular professional word processing software. Okay, it is tightly integrated with the Adobe InDesign and its most recent version is Adobe InCopy CS3. Okay, and it is completely integrated. Okay, पूरी तरह से Adobe InDesign से related है, जुड़ा हुआ है. So it is completely integrated with the Adobe InDesign. Okay, but recently they have launched a new version, that is the Adobe InCopy CS3. Okay, so recently they have they have introduced another version of the Adobe InCopy which is known as CS3, and it is quite very popular as well. Okay, so Adobe InCopy is another very important, very well-known professional word processing software which was introduced by Adobe systems. Okay, next the next one is the Writer. So now what is the Writer? It is a free open source word processor program. It is a part of the LibreOffice suite. So now the next is the Writer. So Writer, that doesn't mean we are talking about a person. Here we are not talking about a person actually. So here we are talking about another word processor. Okay, it is a free open source word processor program. ये एक open source word processor program है. It is a part of a LibreOffice suite, and this is also the part of the LibreOffice suite. So that is Writer. Okay. Now, okay, so now we had discussed in this topic. So this topic we had discussed about the various things that we can do with the word processor. After this, we discussed about after this we had discussion on the types of word processor. Okay, but okay, so हमने देखा, we have learned about Microsoft Word, ClarisWorks, Microsoft Works, Lotus Word Pro, Word Perfect, Adobe InCopy and the Writer. So we have discussed about number 7 to 8. But as you all know, nowadays we are using only one very popular word processor, that is known as the Microsoft Word. So after the introduction of Microsoft Word, all the other word processor, they has been totally eclipsed. ये पूरी तरह से खत्म हो चुके हैं. So now they are not been so popular among the people, but earlier it was quite very popular, and the people they were using another one now. But in today's world, everyone is using only this Microsoft Word for creating any kind of document, paragraph, or anything. And you can make various variations in the fonts and the colors and many things. That there are certain features and many features in the Microsoft Word that you can use for making your document or the paragraph or anything that you have typed more attractive, more impressive. Clear? Okay. So this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.